In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to click on Privacy Controls. Now select Permission Manager. Tap on one of your device's features you wish to manage. Let's go with Camera. And select one of your apps under one of those sections. Allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. I will go with Chrome from not allowed one. Now apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, go back. As you can see, after that Chrome gained access to my device's camera if I'm using my browser. But you can also select any feature, tap on an app you wish to manage, and instead of picking any of those options, choose See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!